Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde, who will be retiring next month, has recommended Justice N.V. Ramana as his successor. Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, in a letter to Justice Bobde, sought his recommendation for the appointment of the next Chief Justice of India. Bobde, who served as the 47th Chief Justice of India, was sworn in November 2019, succeeding Justice retired Ranjan Gogoi. He has been a part of several prominent cases, including the 5-judge Constitution Bench that passed the historic verdict for the construction of Ram Temple at the disputed site in Ayodhya. Justice N.V. Ramana is the most senior judge in the Supreme Court after Chief Justice Bobde. Born on August 27, 1957, Justice Ramana will have a tenure as the country's top judge for a year and 4 months, till August 26, 2022. As per the Memorandum of Procedure governing the appointment of members of the higher judiciary, appointment to the office of the Chief Justice of India should be of the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court considered fit to hold the office. Assam Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today assured the people that a financial support of Rs 3,000 per month will be provided to 30 lakh deserving families under the Arunodaya scheme. He said this while campaigning for BJP candidate Ajanta Gogoi from Golaghat. The increase in the financial support was recently mentioned in the BJP manifesto, wherein it has made 10 major commitments to the people of Assam. Some of them includes providing 3 lakh jobs to the youth, financial support to Namgars, correcting the National Register of Citizens NRC for Assam's protection, Mission Brahmaputra, under which the BJP will build big reservoirs around the river to conserve extra water and save people from floods. 30 lakh deserving families will be paid financial support of Rs 3,000 per month, up from Rs 830 under the Arunodaya scheme. The Election Commission of India has lodged an FIR at the Gauripur police station against BJP candidate Banendra Kumar Mushahari for his recent comments, where he claimed that beef is the national dish of India. The development came after the BJP candidate from Gauripur, during an election campaign in a minority-dominated area, said that beef is the national dish of India. He further claimed it to be an international dish that cannot be banned in Assam or anywhere in the country. The remark from the BJP candidate contradicts the ideologies of the party that has always advocated for a beef ban across the country. Various organizations in the state has called for immediate action against Mushahari for violating the Model Code of Conduct in poll-bound Assam. Along with many countries around the world, India is also witnessing a surge in the daily COVID-19 cases. A new double mutant variant of the coronavirus has been detected in 18 states in the country, in addition to many other strains of variants of concern or VOCs, which have also been found. Health Ministry said today, amid fears of a second wave of the crisis in the country. Though VOCs and a new double mutant variant have been found in India, these have not been detected in numbers sufficient to either establish a direct relationship or explain the rapid increase in cases in some states, the Health Ministry said. Out of the 10,787, the British variant has been reported in 736 samples in India. The South African strain of coronavirus has been detected in 34 people in the country, and the Brazil variant has been seen in 1 sample, the government said. The samples were subjected to genome sequencing, a testing process to understand the complete genetics of an organism, by government consortium of 10 national laboratories. India today recorded 47,262 fresh coronavirus cases, the highest single-day rise since early November, taking the nationwide COVID-19 tally to over 1.17 crore, Union Health Ministry said. Bollywood actor Amir Khan has also tested positive for COVID-19. Mr. Amir Khan has tested positive for COVID-19. He is at home in self-quarantine, following all the protocols, and he is doing fine. All those who came in contact with him in the recent past should get themselves tested as a precautionary measure. Thank you for all your wishes and concern, spokesperson of Amir Khan said. Amir Khan is currently working on his upcoming film Lal Singh Chadda, an official remake of Tom Hanks' Forrest Gump.